In 2014, I made one bold move. I invested 3,500 in 15 small cap stocks. No hedge fund, no MBA, just a belief in long-term value. Fast forward to today, those stocks are now worth 30,000. Yes, you heard that right. 30,000. And here's the kicker. 7 of those companies went bankrupt. So when I say bankrupt, I mean they've gone to zero. They're worth nothing. 7 of them. That's almost half of the stocks that I bought. How did I still win? I won because the market isn't about being perfect. It's about asymmetric upside. Even Warren Buffett has made mistakes. And Warren Buffett says the market is forgiving. This is what Monish Pabrai calls heads I win, tails I don't lose much. You only need to get rich once. This is one of Charlie Munger's favorite quotes. And what he means when he says you only need to get rich once is that one great idea can make up for 10 bad ones. So in essence, that one great idea can make you a millionaire. To put this into context, one stock in my portfolio is now making up about 78% of the portfolio. The next biggest stock makes about 18% of the portfolio. So just 2 stocks are doing the heavy lifting. And this is a portfolio that I haven't touched, I haven't traded for over 10 years. I just bought and held. So the lesson here is that when you hold on to great businesses, your winners can grow 10 times or even 100 times while your losses are kept at what you put in. So I distributed my money over those 15 stocks equally. And now you can see how unbalanced the portfolio is, because some stocks have grown while some have actually shrunk. So this is the magic of the coffee can portfolio. Pick well, stay patient, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. So you, Monish Pabrai, and people like Nick Sleep, they say people do too much. Nick Sleep actually says you get rich by sitting on your assets. That's how you get rich. Sit on your assets. You don't have to always be trading and checking your portfolio and things like that. Last month, I congratulated myself because I went for a full month without checking my portfolio. I do read the news. I listen to the Bloomberg news every single day, but I have stopped checking my portfolio. I just listen to keep abreast of what's happening with the economy. If you have enjoyed this video, hit the like button and please subscribe. This helps our videos be discovered by people who want to get rich, people who want to make better returns like you. I'll see you in the next one, and take care of yourself. Till next time, cheers.